हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम नया चैप्टर शुरू करेंगे। चैप्टर का नाम है डेरिवेटिव ऑफ एन आर्क एंड पीडल इक्वेशंस। सबसे पहले डेफिनिशन है पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स। हमें ये जानना है पोलर कोऑर्डिनेट्स क्या होते हैं। In this system of coordinates, the position of point P is indicated by its distance r from a fixed point O called the pole and the inclination theta of OP to the fixed straight line OA called the initial line. Then r and theta are called the polar coordinates of the point P. OP equal to r is called the radius vector and angle AOP is equal to theta is called the vectorial angle, that is P of r theta. Definition of one simple axiom. If P, Q be any two points on a curve such that the arc PQ is throughout its length concave to the chord PQ, then chord PQ is less than arc PQ is less than PA plus QA. इस axiom का proof आपने छोटी classes में किया होगा. If P and Q are two neighboring points on a curve, then we have to show that limit Q tending to P, arc PQ by chord PQ equal to 1. Consider two adjacent points P and Q such that arc PQ is everywhere concave to the chord PQ. Draw QM perpendicular on the tangent PT at P. Let MPQ be equal to alpha. By the above axiom, we have chord PQ is less than arc PQ is less than PM plus QM. Dividing both sides by chord PQ, we get 1 is less than arc PQ divided by chord PQ is less than PM plus QM divided by PQ. Or 1 is less than arc PQ divided by chord PQ is less than PM by PQ plus QM by PQ. Or 1 is less than arc PQ divided by chord PQ is less than PM by PQ is equal to cos alpha, QM by PQ is equal to sin alpha. Now as Q tends to P, chord PQ will tend to tangent PT and alpha will tend to 0. Hence, on taking limits as Q tends to P, 1 is less than limit Q tending to P, arc PQ by chord PQ is less than limit alpha tending to 0, cos alpha plus sin alpha. Or 1 is less than limit Q tending to P, arc PQ by chord PQ is less than 1. Hence, limit Q tending to P, arc PQ by chord PQ equal to 1, which proves the result. Now, derivation of length of an arc. Cartesian formula को हमें derive करना है, that is ds by dx is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus dy by dx square. हम एक कर्व लेते हैं y equal to fx and let p of x comma y and q of x plus delta x, y plus delta y be two neighboring points on the curve. Let arc be measured along the curve from a fixed point A on it. Let arc PQ be equal to S and arc AQ be equal to S plus delta S. Therefore, length of the arc PQ is equal to delta S join PQ and let chord PQ be denoted by delta L. From P and Q, draw PL and QM perpendiculars on QM and OX respectively. Then AP is equal to S, AQ is equal to delta S plus S, PL is equal to delta X, chord PQ is equal to delta L. Then in triangle PLQ, angle PLQ is equal to 90 degrees. Therefore, by Pythagoras theorem, PQ whole square is equal to PL square plus LQ square. Or replacing the values, delta L square will be equal to delta X square plus delta Y square. Or delta L by delta X whole square is equal to 1 plus delta Y by delta X square, or implies delta L by delta X is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus delta Y by delta X. Now delta S by delta X is equal to delta S by delta L dot delta L by delta X, which is equal to delta S by delta L dot 1 by under root of 1 plus delta Y by delta X square. Name this 1. Now as Q tends to P, delta X, what will happen as Q tends to P? We have to see that. As Q tends to P, delta X will tend to 0, delta Y will tend to 0, delta S by delta L will be equal to 1, delta S by delta X by will be equal to ds by dx, and delta y by delta x will tend to delta y. Now from equation 1, as q tends to p, we get the result as ds by dx is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus dy by dx square. Positive value is taken as s increases with the x. Similarly, by dividing each term of 1 by delta y square and proceeding as above, we can prove that ds by dy is equal to plus minus under root of 1 plus dx by dy square. Example 1. Find ds by dx for the curve y square equal to 4ax. Solution. We have y square equal to 4ax, so y will be equal to plus 2 under root of ax. Now differentiating 1 with respect to x, we get 2y dy by dx equal to 4a, implies dy by dx is equal to 2a by 2 root of ax using second, which is equal to root a by root x. Now substituting in the formula, ds by dx equal to under root of 1 plus dy by dx square is equal to under root of 1 plus a by x, which is equal to under root of a plus x by x. Similarly, we can solve y equal to log cos x. Here dy by dx is equal to minus sin x by cos x, which is equal to minus tan x. Therefore, ds by dx is equal to under root of 1 plus dy by dx ka square, which is equal to 1 under root of 1 plus tan square, which is equal to secant square.